Okay, we again start from the previous video. So the next question: the heart pumps blood more forcefully in older persons than younger ones due to decrease in oxygen content, decrease in elasticity of arteries, fall in nutrient content of blood, and increase in elasticity of arteries. So the correct answer for this question will be option A. A will be the correct answer of this question. So let's move to the next question. Again, I'm using another ink. So this question: in which one of the following pair two term represents the same thing? So lymphocytes, leukocytes, plasma serum, mitral valve, bicuspid valve, and atrioventricular valve, pacemaker. So in this question you have to find out the two pair and which pair the two terms represent the same things. So you have to find out. So here the correct answer for this question will be option C. So option mitral valve and bicuspid valve, same term. So let's move to the next question. Question number 18: plasma proteins perform nutritive functions, physicochemical function, transport function, all of the above. So the correct answer for this question will be all. The plasma protein mainly do all of the function. They act as a nutritive functions, physicochemical functions, and transport, the important. So the correct answer for this question option D will be the correct answer. So let's move to the next question. The question number 30. So you have to match the correct answer for this question. So let's begin. So A, match with factor 2 match with Q. So A match with Q and B match with P and factor 8 match with S and factor 12 match with Heisman factor R. So here the correct answer will be option C will be the correct answer. What will be the answer according to you? Write in the comment sections. So let's move to the next question. So very easy question, memory based question. Blood pressure is controlled by. So this type of question short and memory based. This memory based question. So blood pressure is controlled by. So the blood pressure is controlled by adrenal glands. Control the blood. So mitral valve is also called. Mitral valve also called bicuspid valve. And next question: what happened? So what happened when pacemaker become non-functional? So four options are given. You have to choose the correct answer. So I am not reading the four options. Just you I'm just telling you the correct answer for this question. So the correct answer for this question will be option C will be the correct answer for this question. So let's move to the next question for this question. I'll not read the all options. Okay, then next question. So next question is, which one of the following statements are wrong? So you have to choose the wrong answer. Leukocytes disintegrate in spleen and liver. RBC, WBC and blood platelets are produced by bone marrow. Option 3, neutrophil bring about destruction and detoxification of toxins of protein origin. Important function of lymphocytes is to produce antibodies. So these statements are given. You have to choose the wrong answer. So here the correct answer for this question will be option C, because the wrong here, this one is wrong and 3 is wrong. So this is the answer for this question. So here again you have to choose the incorrect option, incorrect statement. So you just read the statements and I'm just tell you the correct answer. You can write the correct answer in the comment sections also. So I'm reading option A. Statement A, veins are typically larger in diameter than arteries. Because of their small size, blood flows more rapidly in capillaries than in other parts of the circulatory system. Small walls of arteries are elastic, enable them to stretch and shrink during changes in the blood pressure. Veins contain more blood than any other parts of the circulatory system. So here you have to choose the correct answer. So incorrect statement you have to choose. So the incorrect is here, because this is the wrong statement about the circulatory system. So this is the wrong answer. Again, the next question, blood vessels carrying least carbon dioxide each. So the correct answer for this question will be option A, pulmonary vein. And hardening of the wall of small arteries is known as thrombosis, atherosclerosis, arteriosclerosis, heart attack. So small arteries. So the correct answer for this question is here option B, arteriosclerosis. This is the question which have been came. So this is the end of the video today. Again, we meet again another video.